in steering a person towards the right direction. Arunima Sinha, a former national level volleyball player, was one such person who experienced an unexperienced tragedy in her life.
Unexpected.
However, she chose not to give up. Let us find out what happened to her and how she was able to pull herself up again and emerge victorious and unbeatable.
Well done, Mita. So I'm going to explain this thing, and after that we'll be discussing next paragraph. Let me open the document. Just wait. Yes, Vita. First paragraph. Now listen to me very carefully, and after every paragraph, I will be asking you a question. Okay? So, sometimes difficult and undesirable circumstances. Circumstances. The meaning is written. An event or fact that causes or helps to cause something to happen. So, an event or any problem, beta, that comes in our life. Okay, that changes the life. Okay, totally. So, sometimes difficult and undesirable circumstances surround people which can make their life burdensome. Burdensome means heavy. So, our life becomes heavy. Okay? We don't enjoy our life. Just give me 1 minute. During such harsh times, having a sense of hope and setting new dreams can help in steering a person towards the right direction. Steering here means guiding. You can note down the meaning, just it will not come in exam, you can just note down for your knowledge. Steering means guiding. Sometimes what happens, we are surrounded with so many difficulties, and hope only guides us. We are having hope in within us, and it guides us. Okay? Arunima Sinha, a former national level volleyball player. Now Arunima Sinha, who is Arunima Sinha? She is the volleyball player. Former means not now, actually she was volleyball player. She was. Okay? Was one such person who experienced an unexpected tragedy. Tragedy means a very disastrous event which happens in our life. So suppose we are just walking on the road and just car hits us from behind. That is tragedy. Tragedy means when you don't have any fault, but you still, see many poor results. Okay, that is tragedy. So what happened? She experienced an unexpected tragedy in her life. However, she chose not to give up. So, she chose she would not give up, she would not leave her dream, she would continue pursuing her dream. Let's find out what happened to her and how she was able to pull herself up again and emerge. Emerge means to come out of the situation. How she emerged victorious and unbeatable. How she won the situation and how she is unbeatable. Unbeatable, no one can match her. Okay? So Arunima Sinha, she was the former volleyball player. And I will ask you question also, beta, back exercise. Today you will be solving 3 questions. Open your back exercises, please. B part 1, 2, 3. 3 questions will be covered today. And you people will give me answer. B part 3 questions. Okay? So this was the first paragraph. Now my question is to Gaurish. You are the first one on my screen. Yes, Gaurish. Who was Arunima Sinha? Who was Arunima? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Arunima Sinha was a former national level volleyball player.
Yes, correct answer. So next one is Drishti. Drishti, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
So my question is, when tragedy occurred to her, how she reacted, beta? What was her decision after tragedy?
मैम what you have said, मैम आपकी आवाज ना बीच में से कट रही है.
Beta, after tragedy, she experienced one tragedy in her life. Okay. So what was her decision, that what would she do? Would she give up and just sit at home or something else?
Ma'am, she decided to give up and she decided to win that tragedy and and gave the unbeatable task.
Arshia, do you agree with her? She said she decided to give up.
No, ma'am, she decided not to give up and she helped herself with the hope.
Yes, she decided not to give up. Okay, next paragraph. Sarang, yes, please come here. This page offline students will read and next page online. Okay. So Sarang, yes, beta, second paragraph.
Anuma Sima was from Ambedkar Nagar in Uttar Pradesh, India. She was an active sportswoman who played both volleyball and football. She was even a member of volleyball team that represents her state at the nationals. On 12th of April 2011, Anuma Sima boarded the Padmavati Express train at Lucknow for Delhi to take an examination for joining the CIFC.
Okay, examination. Okay. So I'm going to explain this thing also. Arunima Sinha was from Ambedkar Nagar in Uttar Pradesh, India. So she basically belongs to Uttar Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh में कहाँ पे Ambedkar Nagar. Okay. She was an active sportswoman who played both volleyball and football. So she used to play not only volleyball but football also. She was even the member of women's volleyball team that represented her state at the national. So she was basically in the UP team, Uttar Pradesh volleyball women's team, and she represented her state at national level, India level. Okay. On 12th of April 2011, she boarded the Padmavati Express. Boarded means to step onto the train, to take the train. ठीक है, train लेनी, बैठना उसमें. So she boarded the Padmavati Express train at Lucknow for Delhi to take an examination for joining CISE. CISE, beta, it's kind of army. ठीक है? So CISE also, it's a army wing. तो उसने आर्मी में एडमिशन लेने के लिए she was going there just to give exam. Okay. So now what happened to her? Now Harman will read. Yes, Harman, please come. After this page, I will ask you questions.
During the journey, some robbers tried to snatch her purse and gold chain. When she protested, she was pushed out of the running train by them. And before she could get up, another train ran over her left her leg. She was immediately rushed to the hospital with serious leg and pelvic injuries. The doctors amputated her left leg to save her life.
So during, okay, complete.
The Indian Sport Ministry offered her a compensation of 25,000 rupees, but Ministry of State of Youth Affairs and Sport offered an addition of 20,000 as medical relief. When the nation was outraged by the low sum, she was also recommended a job in the CISF and was offered a job by Indian Railways too.
So during her journey, beta, now tragedy occurred. Now you will just, come to know that which tragedy, what bad, news came from there. Himalaya, please. During the journey, some robbers tried to snatch her purse and gold chain. Okay? Robbers came into the train and they tried to snatch the gold chain and the purse. When she protested, when she said, no, I won't give you my chain and gold purse, what did they do? They just pushed her from the running train. उन्होंने उसको रनिंग ट्रेन में से they pushed her to that on the track. ठीक है? And she fell there and another train ran over her left leg and अभी वो उठी भी नहीं थी. Then what happened? The another train came and it passed over her left leg. Okay. So what happened? She was immediately rushed to the hospital with serious leg and pelvic injuries. So pelvic is this area beta, below our stomach, this area, thighs और ये वाला area जो होता है, here she got so many injuries. ठीक है? The doctors amputated means surgically removed. They removed her left leg. They had to remove it क्योंकि वो पूरी तरह से it was damaged. ठीक है? So to save her life, what did they do? They removed the left leg. Then after that, what happened? The Indian Sports Ministry offered her compensation of rupees 25,000. So she was, a very renowned, popular sportswoman, and government only gave her rupees 25,000. But the Ministry of State for Youth Affairs and Sports, but the sports ministers and the ministry, they gave her 2 lakh rupees in addition, 2 lakh rupees. As medical relief means help, when the nation was outraged, because all the citizens of the country, they were very angry when they heard that only 25,000 rupees, had been given to her. So they were very angry and they protested. Then more 2 lakhs plus 2 lakh rupees they were given to Arunima Sinha. She was also recommended a job in CISF and was offered a job by Indian Railways. So she was offered so many jobs also in railways and CISF. Okay? So till here now I'm going to ask you some questions. I request you not to see the answer from your book. Okay? Just apni knowledge use karna. So my first question is from beta last. Tell me your name. Samriddhi. Okay, Samriddhi. Samriddhi, Arunima Sinha belongs to which state and which nagar? Well done. Ambedkar Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Next is Guneet. Guneet, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
So my question is, when she boarded a train, beta, can you tell me date or day or year?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 12th of April 2011.
Yes, correct answer. From here now, Rajaryan, which train she boarded? Name the train. Name the train, beta. Dash Express. Okay, Khushi. Padmavati Express. Well done. Okay. So, Madhav, roll number 28. Please tell me, beta, what tragedy she experienced in the train? What was the tragedy? Yeah, what incident occurred? You can unmute yourself. No? Okay, Jasleen.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what
Some
is
robbers tried to snatch her gold chain, but when she protested, they threw her out of the train, and another train came by and passed over her left leg.
Yes. Okay, correct answer. So my next question is to Harmeet. Harmeet, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the compensation that was given by Government of India? Compensation given by Government of India. Amount. How much?
Ma'am, he had 2 lakh rupees.
Beta, Government of India.
Ma'am, 25,000.
And Herman, how much more money was given to her and why? Why? Yes. Yes, all the Indians were so much angry when they heard that only this much amount had been given. So more 2 lakhs rupees were given. Okay. So now from here, Jalash, unmute yourself, Jalashveer Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Jalash, please read next paragraph, little paragraph. Till yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, yes, please. You can start.
On the 18th of April 2011, Arunima Sinha was admitted to All Indian Institute of Medical Science AIIMS in Delhi for future treatment. She spent 4 months recuperating there while she was
Beta recuperating.
recuperating there while recuperating there while she was undergoing treatment. Her story picked up national interest. While in the hospital, she was inspired by Yuvraj Singh, the veteran cricket player, as he had successfully battled cancer.
Okay, that's
She
it.
was
That's
also
it.
inspired.
That's it, beta. So on 18th of April 2011, Arunima Sinha was admitted to AIMS. AIMS, you might have heard this, the name of this hospital. Okay, All India Institute of Medical Science in Delhi for further treatment. She spent 4 months there recuperating. Recuperating means when you have to recover from illness. So she spent 4 months there just to recover herself from the illness. While she was undergoing treatment, her story picked up national interest. So many people were interested in her. So many articles were being published okay, in the newspaper. Next is while in the hospital, she was inspired by Yuvraj Singh, the veteran cricketer. ठीक है, veteran होता है person having too much experience in something, experienced person. So he is the experienced cricket player as he had successfully battled cancer. So he was having one disease, ठीक है, कैंसर था उसको, लंग कैंसर था युवराज सिंह को, and he battled that और उसने उससे battle की and then he came back to cricket again. ठीक है, so she was inspired. She thought that if युवराज सिंह can do this thing then why not I. ठीक है, तो उसने सोचा मुझे भी ये करना चाहिए. Fine. So next one we'll do till path today. आज हम सिर्फ path तक ही करेंगे. Okay. So next is Adgun. Adgun, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Get a till path. Read it.
Okay. Arunima pondered on the most impossible dream
Beta, she
she
was
could
also
set
inspired.
for herself.
She was also inspired from here. Third line of the paragraph. Yes,
She
please.
was also inspired to give her life a new purpose by motivational television shows with her left leg amputated and a rod inserted in her right leg from knee to ankle to hold the shattered bones together. Arunima pondered on the most impossible dream she could set for herself. After much thought, she finally decided to climb Mount Everest. Usually, amputee patients take months or even years to get
Accustomed. Accustomed.
accustomed to their prosthetic to their to their prosthetic limbs, but Arunima began walking in just 2 days. She stated that the mind holds tremendous sway over the body. Once she was certain that this was what she could do, she let nothing persuade her from her path.
Yes, okay, well done. So she was also inspired to give her life a new purpose by motivational television shows. So during those 4 months, okay, when she was in hospital, she used to watch the motivational TV shows. Okay? Motivational TV shows. Do you know the name of any motivational TV show? Anyone? Motivational TV show जो आपको motivate करते हैं कुछ करने के लिए. We generally don't, we are not supposed to I think watch on TV generally. We can watch it on YouTube. Yes, yes, beta. Loudly. Okay, where do you watch it, beta? Man versus Wild. Okay, you can just feel that this is motivational. that's up to you. So generally on YouTube, beta, we can see so many motivational shows जहाँ पे documentaries दिखाते हैं, ठीक है, of the person जिन्होंने difficult situation कभी अपनी life में face की है, ठीक है. So she saw so many motivational TV shows with her left leg amputated and a rod inserted in her right leg. So left leg was totally removed, ठीक है, and in the right leg one rod was inserted क्योंकि right leg भी almost damaged थी, so they inserted one rod in the right leg. In her right leg from knee to ankle to hold the shattered bones together. Shattered means broken bones. So many broken bones were there in the right leg, so they inserted one rod in the right leg. Arunima pondered. Pondered means thought. Okay, when we think something. She thought on the most impossible dream she could set for herself. Now in the hospital, she was thinking that what can I do? What can I do in a different sense so that everyone should be proud of me? So she was thinking. Then finally an idea came to her mind. After much thought, she finally decided to climb Mount Everest. Okay. Now she thought that I will climb Mount Everest one day for sure. Usually amputee patient is the patient जिसकी कोई भी एक limb remove की होती है, maybe arm, maybe leg, ठीक है, amputee. So amputee patients take months or years to get accustomed to their prosthetic limb. Prosthetic limb means artificial limb. तो generally जो ऐसे patients होते हैं, they take 4 months or even year to get accustomed. Accustomed means familiar or habitual. उनको habit पढ़ने में बहुत time लगता है. Now suppose that, I hope God ऐसा हमारे साथ ना करे, suppose that किसी की एक leg पूरी तरह remove हो गई है, then obviously he will take so many months to get familiar. उसको habit पढ़ने में कितना time लग जाएगा, ठीक है? So but what did she do? She started walking in just 2 days. So she took only 2 days to walk, ठीक है? She stated that mind holds tremendous sway over the body. So she is saying that जो हमारा brain होता है ना, everything is there in our brain. If our brain wants to do something, then हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. Whether we are physically fit or not, if our brain guides us, then we can do anything. Sway means influence. Influence होता है किसी चीज का असर. So हमारे brain का and mind का, it has most influence on our body. अगर हम फिजिकली फिट हैं एंड आवर ब्रेन डजंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग, देन वी विल बिकम लेजी. तो उस फिटनेस का कोई फायदा नहीं है, ठीक है? सो once she was certain means sure. Now she was sure that one day she would climb Mount Everest and nothing could stop her. कोई भी उसको stop नहीं कर पाएगा, ठीक है? So we'll do today till here. Now I'll ask you questions, then we'll discuss 3 question answers. So my first question is from Khushi. Khushi, name the hospital where she spent 4 months for recovery, to get recovered. You can tell me the short form also. AIMS, okay. Yes, Janvi, your answer? There is network issue, Janvi, from your side. Okay. Adgun, please tell me the name of the hospital.
Ma'am, All India Institute of Medical Science, AIMS, in Delhi.
Correct answer. Harman. Yes, well done. Harman. Beta, who inspired her when she was there? Life. Yes. Yes, life of Yuvraj Singh, an experienced cricketer, inspired her because he battled cancer, and Arunima Sinha got so much inspiration from him. Next question is from online students. Let me find out one student. Bishop, unmute yourself. Bishop. Bishop, you are raising your hand. Unmute, yes. So my question is, beta, what goal she set for herself? Yes, Bishop.
मैम मैम मैं अभी अभी आया मैम, मुझे पता नहीं है मैम, मेरे नेटवर्क इशू था मैम.
Jasmeet Kaur. Jasmeet, unmute. Madhav, roll number 28.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what? Okay, Jasmeet will tell me first. Jasmeet, what was the goal she set for herself? She decided.
Please again the question.
बेटा कौन सा गोल सेट किया उसने अपने लिए? कौन सा गोल सेट किया? Okay, Madhav, you can tell me.
Ma'am, she wants to climb Mount Everest.
Goal that she would climb Mount Everest one day. Okay, now this is the end of today's work. Now, first 3 questions. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. Complete your 3 questions and please tell me the answers. B part 3 questions. Back exercise quickly. How did Arunima Sinha meet with an accident? I think Jasleen already told us, then you can just reframe the answer. What was the result of this? Who and what inspired Arunima while she was in hospital? After 1 minute, we'll discuss it. Okay, I think let's start now. How did Arunima Sinha meet with an accident? From here. You have to speak slowly. I have to ask online students also. Sorry. You can tell me the page number. You can see the page number. Passed over the. Okay, so this was in your language, but in notebook, please try to write the wording that is given in book. Okay, page 133. So here, who will tell me? Savya, page number and tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. On page number 133.
Okay, answer.
Mm, During the journey, some robbers tried to snatch her purse and gold chain. When she protested, she was pushed out of the running train by them, and before she could get up, another train ran over her left leg. She was immediately rushed to hospital with serious leg and pelvic injuries.
Okay, fine. Yes. So everyone, I'm just underlining it. Beta, आप भी underline कर लो. Page 133. On the 12th of April 2011, Arunima boarded the Padmavati Express train at Lucknow for Delhi. Then this line, during the journey, some robbers tried to snatch her purse and gold chain. When she protested, she was pushed out of the running train by them, and before she could get up, another train ran over her left leg. Till leg तक करना आपने. Okay, left leg. Next question is, Beta, what was the result of it that doctors amputated her left leg to save her? This was the result. Just wait, just wait. But you can write till here, नहीं तो incomplete लगेगा. You can write it, it's okay. You can write it. Okay, so next question, what was the result of this accident? Yes, Rajaryan. Okay, Harman. Yes, Harman. Her. Okay. That will be quite long. That will be difficult for you to learn. You can you can write till here, beta. Okay, I'll tell you. I'll just ask these students also. Devang, yes, your answer.
The result of the tragedy was the doctor amputated her left leg to save her life, and the Indian Sports Ministry has offered her a compensation of 25,000, and the Ministry of the Youth Affairs and Sports offered her 2 lakh rupees for her medical relief.
Okay. But I would suggest to you to just write till here, beta. She was immediately rushed to the hospital with serious leg and pelvic injuries. The doctor amputated her left leg or removed her left leg to save her life, till life only. If you want to add this thing that she was given compensation of this and this rupees, you can write, but compulsory आपको life तक लिखना है, to save her life. Page 133. After the accident, she was immediately rushed to the hospital. She got pelvic injuries and doctors removed her left leg till here. You got it, everyone? Okay. Third question. Who inspired her and why? Who and what inspired Arunima while she was in hospital? From here, then I will ask online student. Kiski turn nahi aayi? Beta, last. Yes. Samriddhi. Who and what inspired her when she was in hospital? Okay, fine. Page number, who will tell me page number? Drishti, your answer. Drishti.
Yes, ma'am. Page number 134, third paragraph, first line. While in the hospital, she was inspired by Yuvraj Singh, the experienced person cricket player, as he had successfully battled cancer. She was also inspired to give her life a new purpose by motivational television shows.
Okay, till shows, correct. So if you want to write experienced in place of veteran, you can simply write experienced cricket player. Experienced cricket player. Or you can simply write veteran cricket player, okay? So these were the 3 answers. Now you can solve 3 blanks also. 3 blanks. So what can be the answer? I'm giving you 1 minute, just complete 3 blanks, then I will ask you. Actually, I think so. Second blank is not given in the chapter, so you can make answer from yourself. What kind of accident? Okay, I think.